Hello and welcome to the UptoSix Phonics YouTube channel. On this channel, we will be learning to read with phonics using the UptoSix Phonics Apps. Let's learn the sound S. It's a sunny day at the seaside. Sam, the squirrel, is having a good time at the seaside. Sam used his sand toys to build a sand castle. He wants to relax on the sunbed now. Sam is hungry and thirsty. He wants to eat his sandwiches and drink some strawberry juice from his straw glass. Oh, what's that sound? The snake on the sand is slithering away with a sandwich. Oh my goodness! The seagull and the squid have also taken one. S as in sun. S as in squid and starfish. S as in sand castle and sand toys. S as in sandwich. S as in sunglasses. S as in straw glass. S as in squirrel and as in seagull. S as in stick. S as in snake. S as in sandals. From this picture, we have to find everything that begins with the sound S. Shall we try? Let's do it. I can see sun, sky, sea, sand, squid, starfish, sand toys, stick, snake, sand castle, squirrel, sunglasses, straw glass, seagull. Is there anything else that you can see? Let's try writing the sound S. Look at the animation and write. Start at the top and it's just like a snake. S. You can start over if you make any mistake. You can download the UptoSix Phonics app to play along. Now we will play a game. We have to identify the word that begins with the sound S. Apple. Does it start with sound S? No. Apple. That starts with A. Apple. What about lemon? L sound. Sunglasses? Yes. Sandals. S as in spider. S. Turtle? No. Turtle starts with T sound. Arrow? Arrow. Sunflower.
On the picture that begins with the sound.
sun.
Sun.
Starfish. Strawberry. Teddy? No, that is wrong. Teddy starts with t sound. Is it ant? Ant. No. Snail. Snake. You can download the UptoSix Phonics app and keep on playing. UptoSix Phonics apps are available on the Google Play Store and App Store.